Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on change nickname uh, on your account on Discord on role settings. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click roles and click here and now click permissions, and now here you will find change nickname. Click on it and click save. Click here save and it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.